Welcome back to our e-commerce knowledge in under 5 minute series. Today, we're diving into Amazon's Build International Listings tool, or BIL for short. This powerful feature can help you expand your reach and streamline your operations as you sell across multiple Amazon marketplaces. So, what exactly can you do with the Build International Listings tool? Well, BIL helps you save time by letting you manage offers in one marketplace called the source marketplace and automatically create and sync offers in your target marketplaces. It not only creates listings but also syncs prices with adjustments for fees, taxes, and currency fluctuations, ensuring your pricing stays profitable across different regions. In today's example, I'll demonstrate how to use BIL to create offers in Canada and Mexico based on your existing US listings. Well, let's get started, and I'll show you right now. So in this screen here, you can see that I'm in the Seller Central account, and I'm in the Build International Listings tool section. And you can go and access this section by going to Settings, go to Inventory, and then click on Sell Globally. Once you get there, you click on Build International Listings and you'll come to this page right here. Let's get started to sell globally. And as you can see here, there are 164 offers in this account's US marketplace. And I'm gonna click on at these marketplaces, which is Mexico and Canada here, and click Continue. And what you can do here is choose what fulfillment method and what type of product conditions you want to sync to your US marketplace. And for me, I prefer just selling what's in FBA and also only selling what's new. And what I'm going to do is copy the same here, FBA and new. And that looks good. Here you can adjust the pricing for your listings in the way it's synced. And what I like to do is choose list price only, just because I want to make sure my margins are covered. And you can choose to select whatever your source marketplace pricing is, adjusted for fees and taxes. Some people prefer that. I don't recommend doing same as your source marketplace because usually your FBA fee is higher for selling into other marketplaces, so don't do that. And what I prefer to do is do percentage above source marketplace, and the max you can do is 10%, so I'll do 10. And I choose 10% because I cannot receive my returns back. Usually I have to dispose it, so there's usually a higher cost of return, and therefore I would like to have an extra percentage to cover my returns. So I chose 10%. You can always change that to 5 or whatever you feel is comfortable, but for this case, I'm going to choose 10%. And for remote fulfillment, I think 99% of us will not use it. That's basically fulfilling with your US inventory for, a non-marketplace order. And for that, you just leave that same as source marketplace, adjusted for fees. That's not a big issue. And then you want to update Canada as well. So we'll do 10% above source, and that looks good here. Continue. Okay, let's double check. Only FBA, new condition for both, and 10% above source. Great. And you can see the exchange rate here, and this will automatically adjust as the exchange rate changes. Click Continue. Agree and create offers. So now this will take some time. I don't think this will take long for this account because there's not many product listings. We'll come back once the listings are updated. All right, now that the listings are up, I want to show you what it looks like before, and I'll show you after BIL has done its thing. And as you can see here, I'll show you the screenshot of the Manage All Inventory in Mexico, which is completely blank, and I'll show you what it looks like now. As you can see, the listings are populated. You have your available units, and then you can see the price. And right next to the price, you'll see this little sync icon and you hover over it, it says the SKU is enrolled in pricing automation. And that means that your Mexico price is synced to the rule that you set for your source marketplace. And that's a good thing. You want that to be synced. And that's how you use your BIL tool. It's very simple. Once you set up correctly, it just runs on its own. Before we go, there are still some tips that I want to share with you before we get out of here and end this video. And the first thing is that you would always want to check your A+ content. Just make sure that your A+ content is up to date and optimized for each marketplace. Since BIL only copies the source marketplace A+ content, you'll need to translate the content in your destination marketplace yourself and update that after. Next, it's important to verify your listing translations. For non-English speaking marketplaces, always double check the automatic translations from BIL. You want your product descriptions and bullets to be clear, accurate, and appealing to your local customers. Consider using AI or hiring a professional translator for these product listing translations. And finally, always check your inventory dashboard to make sure that your price synchronization is on. And this is because if your sync goes off, your pricing may change and it will not be adjusting in the case of an exchange rate where it's unfavorable for your margins. So regularly check your listings to ensure price synchronization is on. If you find the sync is off, go into the BIL tool dashboard, exclude, then re-include the SKU, and it will activate the synchronization. And that's how you can use Amazon's BIL International Listings tool to streamline your global selling operations. With BIL, you can save time and focus on scaling your business across multiple marketplaces. Just remember to double check your translations, optimize your content, and stay on top of the price syncs to make sure you get the most out of this powerful tool. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce knowledge in under 5 minutes. And let me know in the comments if there's a feature or topic you'd like me to cover next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.